Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, amazing events, and fun, fun, fun. We've been thinking about all that there is to do in Jamaica, and for the next few weeks, or maybe months, we're going to take you off the beaten track. We're going to allow you to see Jamaica from a Jamaican standpoint. It's so much fun being Jamaican, and it's so much more fun living in Jamaica as a Jamaican. We have the sights and sounds, and life is just absolutely tranquil. I want to share my Jamaica with you. I want to showcase what Jamaica really means to us as Jamaicans. And of course, we want to show you how much fun we have here at Sheri-Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited as we showcase our Jamaica to all our friends. Join us as we hang out with a wonderful family, the Greaves, all the way from Bowmanville, Ontario, as they chillax for a week with the Whites family, journeying through Jamaica. Take a look, enjoy.